Hi, Maddie. Hi, Maddie.
Hi.
Hi. That's a very dramatic hi. How you doing? How are you?
Ooh.
Are you good?
No, no.
Not now. Do you want me to turn off the camera?
No,
Well, then why'd you say not now?
no.
No. Is it one of those kinds of mornings?
No,
Do you want to go to school?
no,
Do you want to go to school this morning?
no,
Do you want to go to the doctor's office? Medicine. Do you want to go to the doctor's office?
no,
No. Do you want to go to a party? Hmm. Do you want to go to a party? No? Do you want to play with your blocks?
no.
Blocks. Tell me about your blocks. Are you going to grab them? They're way over there, huh? You want to build?